What are some things that I can put into slime? The first thing I wanted to add was packing peanuts. I thought it would be like a jelly cube texture, but I was wrong. The packing peanuts just completely deflated and turned flat and not even squishy at all. And there were no bubble pops. And this one was an epic fail. Next one was bracelet beads, and I had to cut some of them. Please don't tell. Yeah, that was kind of a shocker. I made a huge mess, and I thought it would be like kind of a crunchy texture if I added a lot, but they were just normal beads. Next was toilet paper. I really thought that it would be like a cool texture, but it completely made the slime hard to stretch and not even stretchy at all, and it did not even have bubble pops. I thought putting toilet paper in, like putting some more toilet paper in would help, but it didn't. It made it a lot worse. This one was an epic fail. Next one is eyeshadow. I thought it would just change the color and make it all glittery because, this slime is kind of boring. It did work, but at the end it started to get a little hard. So I don't know if it was the same kind of thing. Anyways, let me